Game failing to initialize because of the NVIDIA API 64.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. Before we get into the technical process for NVIDIA API 64, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This DLL file is the 64-bit version of the NVIDIA API library. It enables modern 64-bit applications and games to interface directly with NVIDIA hardware for performance optimization and hardware features. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Since the NVIDIA API 64.dll is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the NVIDIA API 64 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please use caution. Replacing the NVIDIA API 64.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the NVIDIA API 64. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing the NVIDIA API 64 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.